Hi! Welcome to this video about creating AI avatars with Synthesia. You're just gonna love this video. Can you believe this is not me talking? This is completely AI generated. Like the video and let's get started.
So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make avatars in Synthesia in 3 different ways. One way is called the selfie avatar, which just requires photographs, and it's really very quick. It only takes about 10 minutes from start to finish. The other way is to upload a recording of you just talking about random stuff, whatever you want to be talking about. And the third way is for you to record yourself while reading a teleprompter provided by Synthesia. So I'm testing out all 3 methods, and we're going to start out with the selfie avatar. So I've already created my selfie avatar, but basically when you select this and you haven't created it, it's going to just ask you for photographs. And so you're just going to upload 5 to 20 photographs. Now, they do have some suggestions in their documentation here about the types of photographs to use. You know, make sure it's only you, no other people. You want to include a variety of close-ups and body shots. Make sure you're smiling, different angles, different outfits, what have you. And you upload those, and then it takes about 10 minutes for it to process. And then it's also going to ask you to record yourself giving permission. So they actually need a video of you saying, yes, it's me, and I give you permission to do this. And then you select OK, and then it will process that in about 10 minutes, and it will give you samples here. Now I just need you to imagine I haven't done this before, and I just uploaded my photos, and now I'm waiting and waiting and waiting, and yay! So my avatar is done and it's ready to use. It will give you some samples here of how it has been used. So you can decide if you like it. You can start over if you want to. And so then you're going to go ahead and try to generate something from a prompt that you come up with. And we will see what we get. Now, while we wait, let's go back over to their documentation, because it does say that we can make this avatar talk. So, create a video by clicking on an avatar. Okay, so what we've got to do, if we want it to talk, is select one of these and create a video. So, okay, so you've got to record yourself. This is all new to me. This is why I'm not planned out in this. Let's just go ahead and record something. We finally landed on this wonderful planet. How exciting. I can't wait to explore and see what I can find. We could have previewed the audio, but I really don't care if it sounds horrible. I just want to see how this works. So then it's going to create a video of me talking. And this is all just from photographs. And this might take a while. It says we can leave the page and come back. So I believe we'll do that. I don't know how to get back to it. Okay, we just click on that image again. All right, let's see what it came up with here. Wow. That is really impressive. Okay. About riding a roller coaster. Now, this is a very interesting face swap. I initially, when I started playing around with this, I wasn't thinking face swap. I was thinking of talking avatar. But I'm seeing now you can use this for a face swap. And that is really, really super cool. So it looks like we can be very artistic. Let's see how artistic we can get. So let's do Art Deco painting in a hallway. And we'll see what we get there. Okay. Pretty cool. So let's try Pixar cartoon style. Standing near a river. Okay, so it looks like that last one did not generate. So the art styles, I'm thinking those are not going to generate. So these only are realistic photographs. Okay, so this is their Disney Pixar, which is very interesting because it's got a very cartoony style, except for my face is real. So you're not going to get cartoons out of this. This is only going to be actual photographs. So, okay, now we know. Okay, so this video is done, and I can access the video by selecting the avatar, but I can also get to it from my videos panel, and that's where I'm going to go now. So here's all the projects that you've been working on, and when they publish, they will also be here. I have not watched this yet. I'm going to watch it with you for the first time. We finally landed on this wonderful planet. How exciting. I can't wait to explore and see what I can find. Okay. I mean, the technology is amazing. Don't get me wrong, but I don't know. I did not like myself, and my lips looked like it moved funny. I wanted to show you something here. You can actually choose to make one of these images an avatar. Now, when you do the three-dot menu, it will give you an option to add it to your library. I don't have that option now because I've used up my 3 that I have on my plan, so I can't add anymore, but that's what I did with this one. And then I created a video from the normal video editing, screen, and I added that as my avatar, and I created the video. I also am not that impressed with this one. I've already watched this one. Let's watch it together.
This is an avatar I saved from the Selfie avatar I made earlier. It's not my voice, of course, but she does talk and move like a real person. This is quite remarkable.
So it didn't glitch in the middle of that. That was my internet that did that. The video plays through nice and neat. And I actually thought the voice was timed better to the lips on this one than on the other one, but I still don't like the way I look. But obviously they've done this from a photograph, so that is pretty impressive. So those are 2 ways you can use the Selfie avatar. You can generate videos for each avatar or for any avatar, and then you can also add it to your avatars, which you find down here under Assets Avatars. You can see I already have 3 because I'm testing out the 3 methods for creating avatars. I've already used them all. Before we move on, I just want to say something. I did say, hey, if you don't like how it turns out, you can delete it and start over. And actually, I can't find a way to delete my Selfie avatar. So I can delete individual images that were produced, but I can't delete the actual model that was created. So anyway, just wanted you to know that. Okay, so now to create avatars, you would go to Personal Avatar, choose Create.
Can you believe you're watching an AI generate?
And then you have this introductory video, and it gives you some tips: quiet and well lit, pause between paragraphs, natural body language, and make sure to smile and be positive. And then you have 2 options. You can upload a video that is between 1 and 5 minutes, and I tested both of these, and you'll get to see both of them and how they turned out. I did use a green screen, and they do not recommend that, although they did not say to not do it. So I just thought, I'm going to try it and see how it works. I actually don't think it's going to turn out very good with the green screen because my green screen has wrinkles in it. As you can see, I've left the green screen on just so you can see how it's got wrinkles. It's a really bad setup. So that probably is not the best idea. But anyway, I did it, and we'll see how it turns out. So one way is just to record yourself anywhere on your phone, whatever, and upload the footage. The other way is to be right in front of your computer and use your webcam. And what you'll do then, so it's not going to let me do this again. Actually, it's not letting me do this right now because I'm connected to my recording. But anyway, it's going to confirm that your microphone's working and that your camera is working. And then it's going to give you the script that you'll read. You can look through it before you record. And then when you press start record, it's like a teleprompter and you just have to read through it. You can't pause, you can't stop. So if you make mistakes, I'm going to imagine that's probably going to affect the quality. So you don't want to make mistakes, and you also don't want to make mistakes, by the way, in your 1 to 5 minute video. It needs to be a full, you talking, not saying oh, and long pauses or anything like that. It needs to be a good quality. So anyway, you record yourself. You can record again on that. So if you don't like it or you make a mistake, you just choose re-record. And then you submit it. And in both examples, it will then have you record yourself reading a kind of a disclaimer statement that says, yes, I am so-and-so, and I do have permission to create this avatar. And then you submit that recording. Now, the one thing I did not know, because I can't even finish this video today, is that in both of those video cases, it takes a day before you get your avatar. So keep that in mind. I'm going to have to come back tomorrow and test these out and let you know how they turned out. So I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, it's actually been 2 days. It took me a while. I've been busy. Let me show you the previews that they give you when you create these. I'm just going to record this.
Hi there, I'm your Synthesia avatar. Did you know I speak many other languages? por ejemplo, este soy yo hablando español. これは私が日本語で話しているところです。Je peux aussi parler français. Incroyable, n'est-ce pas? Ready to make your own video in any of 30 plus languages? Click the new video button to get started.
I think that turned out pretty good. Now, this one was with my own video footage that I submitted, and I did have a green screen. And when I submitted it, there's a little button in the bottom that says remove background, and I toggled that on. So my background was removed. So now I can use that on any other backdrop. However, when I did the teleprompter version where I'm recording in real time, I forgot to select remove background. So now I'm stuck with this background forever. This one's pretty much worthless for that reason. Let me enlarge this.
Hi there, I'm your Synthesia avatar. Did you know I speak many other languages? Por ejemplo, este soy yo hablando español. これは私が日本語で話しているところです。Je peux aussi parler français. Incroyable, n'est-ce pas? Ready to make your own video in any of 30 plus languages? Click the new video button to get started.
I do some really weird facial movements there at the end. Okay, and then yesterday I went ahead and made this one. This one does not have a green screen, and I was not wearing makeup, and you're going to see that makeup does a lot for me.
Hi there, I'm your Synthesia avatar. Did you know I speak many other languages? Por ejemplo, este soy yo hablando español. これは私が日本語で話しているところです。Je peux aussi parler français. Incroyable, n'est-ce pas? Ready to make your own video in any of 30 plus languages? Click the new video button to get started.
It actually changes my facial structure a lot in this one. I'm seeing it close up. So this one did not have the green screen, and I felt like it's very shaky around the edges. And I did not have any special lighting or makeup. And I think the lighting and the makeup really actually helped a lot on the videos. So those are the 3 options. So now I've made a few videos, and let me play those for you.
Hi, my name is Tanya. In this video, I'll show you some of the avatars I created with Synthesia. This one was created by uploading 5 minutes of video footage with a green screen behind me. There was an option to remove the background when I submitted the video, so now I can use any backdrop. For this one, I used the scripted real-time recording option with my normal office background and no special lighting or makeup. I chose to remove the background when I submitted the video. I think the background removal was decent. For this one, I used the scripted real-time recording option with the green screen. I forgot to select the option to remove the background when I submitted the video, so this avatar can only have this green wrinkled background forever.
Okay. I think, honestly, the one where I uploaded my own video, I think
In this
it turned
video,
out
I'll
the
show you
best.
some of the avatars I created with Synthesia.
But you'll also notice my voice did not actually get converted properly. It kind of sounds like me at times, and then it doesn't. So these are avatars I made using the Selfie avatar feature.
This one was made by uploading 10 selfie images. Once you create a selfie avatar, you can have yourself generated into different settings and attire. This is also a selfie avatar. You'll notice that you can't attach your own voice. You have to choose one from the library. This is also a selfie avatar. Remember, if you like my content, like the video and subscribe to my channel.
Okay, so those actually aren't nearly as good. Those are really just for fun. Now, I was going to create another video, but I ran out of credits. So that's all I have to show you on the avatars. Now, let me also say this. Synthesia is not the only AI avatar generator out there. I know there's Colossin. I haven't tried that. And there's HeyGen. Those are the two others that I've heard of that people are using. So if Synthesia doesn't meet your needs, check out those. And if you want me to make videos on those other ones, leave a comment below. Before I say goodbye, I want to show you something that I realized I told you something wrong. When I was looking earlier for the way to save this as one of my avatars, I actually couldn't find it here, and I thought it was because I had used my 3 avatars, but I realized I can save more. What you do is you do create video, and then you get this option, save to my avatars. So you can create a video from right here, or you can save it as an avatar to use in a video that you create for professional reasons. And you can see here, it gives me more. So I'm guessing the 3 avatars I get on this plan is only for these professional ones, but I can convert my selfie avatars as many as I want. I guess I've got 5 here total. So anyway, I wanted to show you that before I left. I told you something incorrect. I hope you stuck around to the end. If you liked the video, like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.